Vegetables are a must in a diet. How about making a dessert using a vegetable to make us feel a little less guilty? So today, I'm going to show you a delicious carrot cake. So let's see how. Let's start with sifting the dry ingredients in a bowl. I have half a cup of plain flour here, half a cup of caster sugar, 1/4 teaspoon soda bicarb, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Let's sift all this. Let's keep the dry ingredients aside and mix the wet ingredients. Into this, I'm going to add half a cup of curd, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla essence. And now, let's whisk all these ingredients together. And now slowly, let's add all the dry ingredients. Just whisk it enough to mix all the ingredients properly. Don't overbeat it. I have 3/4 cup of grated carrot here. The batter is ready and now I'm going to pour it into a 5 inches tin. And now this is ready to go in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. The cake is out of the oven and now I'm going to unmold it. Just lightly separate the cake from the tin. Let's unmold this on a wire rack. The amazing aroma of the cake is making me really hungry. You can also spread some cream cheese frosting, for which you can refer to my other cake recipes. And also, just slightly warmed cake with a scoop of ice cream goes best. So do try this at home and let me know how it turned out, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.